Hey there, everybody. My name is Megan Cato. I chose to do my oral communication and research discussion post based off of week one's assignment on measuring and assessing variation of dandelions. I want to apologize in advance for any noise in the background. I'm a mother of 4 boys, so it gets a little crazy over here sometimes in my house. So I do apologize in advance. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive right in. For this study, I observed dandelions in my yard to investigate variation in leaf lengths. I hypothesized that most leaves would be close to the average, demonstrating stabilizing selection. If leaf length is a continuous trait, that can show how traits vary within a population. This histogram shows the distribution of leaf lengths for 15 dandelion plants. You can see that most leaves are near the mean of 7.2 centimeters, while very short and very long leaves are rare. This supports the idea of stabilizing selection, where intermediate traits are favored. In conclusion, leaf length varied moderately, but most leaves were near the mean, showing stabilizing selection. When using a smaller sample, the standard error increased, highlighting how sample size affects precision. This activity helped me understand how variation exists naturally and how populations can favor average traits. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and good luck to everybody on y'all's future endeavors. I really enjoyed this class and being able to interact with all of my classmates. So thank you for the experience, everybody.